Hi, I'm Bonnie Light, and my new company is called Southwest Treasures. I am focused on making jewelry out of gemstones, and these are a few of the selections that will be available at this Saturday's studio tour. I began beading about 15 years ago when I moved to Casa Grande and happened to wander into a bead store in Phoenix, and I was transfixed. I loved it all. I loved the glitz, the shine, everything about beads. And bought some beads, came home, and tried to figure out what to do with them. Anyway, that was 15 years ago, and here we are. I love doing it. It's great fun. It's a wonderful expression of creativity. And I invite you all to come out and see all the wonderful artists that will be displaying at all the locations of the studio tour. I'll be at Mark White's studio, but don't forget to visit all the studios. Thanks.